We're reviewing for our second geometry quiz. I'm going to do a little review for you of our lessons. The first thing we learned was radius, diameter, circumference. What did we learn? Parts of the circle that are radius, diameter, circumference. Right, and area also. So this is how we remember it. We have to see, what does radius look like? We have to see, what does radius look like? We know, right? Radius is in the middle. Why did that move? Radius is in the middle. Diameter is the whole thing. And then circumference is all the way around. How do we get from radius to diameter? Times 2. Times 2. How do we get from diameter to circumference? Times 3.14. What if we have to get from radius all the way to circumference? Then you have to do both. You have to do, that's for area. You have to do radius times 2 and then times 3.14. Now for area, that's radius times 5. But anyways, somebody was saying that early, but we're not there yet. We're still talking about these. You can also think about this, right? Radius is there. And then diameter is 2 times. And then circumference is times 3.4. All right, so let's move to our area. Yay, area. So here we go. Area is here. Oh, I had it for the last class. It ruined the surprise. All right. So what do? We straighten out the circumference. Now compared to this radius, we have to, just like we said, times 2 and times pi. Pay attention, please. Pay attention, please. Times 2 and times pi, right? And there it is. 2 pi r. It's right there. All right. However, when we straighten it out to get to a rectangle, it's only half of the 2 pi r. So that removes the 2. So now what do we have on the bottom? R and pi. R and pi are still there. So when we are multiplying this rectangle, we do r times pi. And that's radius times pi. So if you didn't follow all of that, that's okay. But maybe it'll help people to get an idea of where we got radius times pi from. All right, that's the area. What is that, everybody? Area. Okay, what about the area of a triangle? Well, it's always a half. We can see it when it's like this easily, right? It's a half. That's easy. We are looking. So that's a half. But it's also a half when you have a triangle here. We see it go double, right? We see it go double, right? We see it go double, right? We see it? Yep. Yeah, okay. All right, that's pretty much it. So let's go back to our review, and we can get it all done. Let's welcome, that's the wrong one. Hold up. I know, don't, there, 2. Here we go. French fry coming all the way from France. Let's hear it from French fry. All right. So French fry, how do we do number 1?
Don't you multiply it by 2?
She's into the mic. We multiply it by 2. Do we all agree?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's correct. Why? Because we're going from radius to diameter. Pick a color. Blue. All right, so 5 times 2, what's the answer?
10.
10. Show your work. Good. Okay, what about this one?
6 times 2.
6 times 2 is? 12. You walked away from the mic. Okay, let's hear it for French fry. Okay, now we've got M&M. Let's hear it for M&M. Those are delicious. I like peanut butter, so, peanut butter M&Ms for me. All right. Okay, so, Mr. M&M, I almost called you peanut butter M&M. All right, pick a color, any color.
Blue.
Blue, it's already blue. Okay, how do you find the circumference from this?
3.14 times 22.
Right, so we take that diameter and we multiply times 3.14. What's the answer?
69.8.
0.08.
08.
All right, I'm going to check on my calculator because I haven't written all these down, but that's the next one. 45.214, right? Okay, so let's see. 22?
Yeah.
Yep, 69.08. There's an extra decimal there. All right, perfect. All right, next. Oh yeah, someone else is going to do the next one, right? Right. Let me find the name. Okay, let's hear it for. Oh no, you're doing this one. You're doing this one. Okay. So how do we do number 4?
7.2 times 2.
Right. First, we have to turn it into the diameter. Okay, so it's 14.4. Now that we have the diameter.
3.14 times 14.4.
Right, times 3.14. And on the calculator, what is it again?
45.216.
45.216. That's your answer. Okay, any questions? So that's a 2-step one. It's a little tricky. All right, let's hear it for Eminem. Everybody's writing down stuff. That's okay. All right, and we got a small class. We had 10 people absent. OMG. All right, so now we've got Batman. Batman. All right, Batman.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, how do we do number 5? They're asking us to find the area, and we know the formula is. To find area is
Radius times pi.
Radius times radius
Times pi.
times pi. Oh my. All right. So did they give us the radius here?
Yes. No.
16 is the radius?
Yeah. Oh, no.
No, they didn't give us the radius. They tricked us. So what do we need to do to turn it into the radius?
Divide by 2.
Divide by 2. So we go 16 divided by 2 is 8, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then, okay. So now what?
Now we do 8 times 8 times pi.
Times 3.14. Good. So that means 64 times 3.14. All right. Now let's see. What did you get on that one?
200.96.
Okay. Let's see. 64. 200.96. Yep. All right. There we go. 200.96 yards. Okay. On our Google form, though, on our quiz, you're going to just type in the number. All right, let's hear it for Batman. Are you all writing? They're all writing. Okay. Next person is, I need to find the code name. Ice cream person from Hawaii. What kind of ice cream are you?
Vanilla.
Vanilla with, well, you got to have hot fudge and stuff on it, right?
Oh, sprinkles. Yeah.
What?
Sprinkles.
Sprinkles. All right. Vanilla sprinkles. Okay. How do you do number 6?
You have to do radius times pi.
Okay. Did they give us radius?
Yes.
Yeah. So we don't need to do a half first. We don't need to divide by 2 first.
Yeah. And so you do 2.6 times 2.6 times pi. And you get...
Well, let me write 3.14.
Oh.
3.114. So what is 2.6 times 2.6? Do you have that on your paper?
Oh, I did it all together.
You did all together?
Yeah.
Let me see. Does anybody have 2.6 times 2.6?
Yeah.
What do you have? What is it? 2.6 times 2.6 makes 6.76, I think. 6.76. What is?
And then
6.76 times 3.14.
yeah.
So what does that make?
21.2264.
Oh no, there's going to be a lot of decimals on that one. I've got 21.2264.
Yeah.
Wow, that's a lot of decimals. 21.2264. Oh man. All right, I'm going to make sure we don't have that many decimals on the test. Anyways, so that's meters, I think. Meters squared. Actually, this is yards squared because it's area. All right. Good job. Now, code name is Thrasher. Shark coming. What is Thrasher shark? Thrasher shark. Okay. What? Squared, because it's meters squared. Whenever it's area, you have to say squared. But it's just going to be the number in the Google Forms on our test because or else then when I have people type in letters, then they write all kinds of crazy things, and then the Google Forms doesn't grade it right. So I just put the number only. Okay. All right. So Thrasher shark. How do we do it?
So first you would do 3.4 times 7.
3.4 times 7. What does that make?
That would make 23.8.
23.8, and then times. Oh, are we done?
No, you do divide by 2.
Right. So we divide by 2, and what do we get?
11.9.
11.9.
Yes.
Okay, I'm just gonna double check on my calculator here because I haven't done it myself. So let's make sure. Okay, next one.
Next one, you would do 2.3 times 7.
Miles squared. Okay, 2.3 times 7.
Which gives you 16.1.
16.1, and that is centimeters squared. Okay. All right. Any questions so far? Any questions so far? Any questions so far?
No.
Okay. All right.
The number 9 is 9.6 times 9.6.
Okay. You get?
And you get 92.16.
All right. Excellent. All right, let's hear it for Thrasher shark. All right, last one I'm going to do for you because people are being shy, right? Anybody want to do it? Come on, it's such a great opportunity to be famous on YouTube. Nobody? Okay. All right. So let me zoom in. Why not? Okay, I'll zoom in a little bit. Okay. So look, that dot, my glitch came back. Glitch, get out of here, glitch. I don't want the glitch. Okay. That's gonna bug me. Oh well. Maybe if I can write like, oh well, in white or something. I don't know. It's gonna work. Anyway, I'll just wait. What if I do this? Watch. Ah, it's gone. I told you it was glitching. All right, here we go. First we find the area of the bottom thing, right? Come on, help me out here. How do you find the area of that? Which is?
15 times 4? No. Wait, you have to subtract.
Oh, you have to subtract on this one, huh? I'm going to try to make it so you don't have to subtract on the test, though. Yeah, they didn't give you this side. So you have to do 10 minus 4 equals 2. 10 minus 4 equals 2.
10 minus
4. 20?
6.
Come on, everybody. 10 minus 4 equals?
Oh, 6.
6. Okay. I only had a couple people participating. Okay, so 15 times, oh wait, yeah, times 6. Okay, so 6, what is it? 36, 7, 8, 9, 90. Okay, so this part right here is 90, right?
Yeah.
Now we have to find the triangle. Okay, so we know that it's 15 times 4. I didn't think we were going to have to subtract on this one. Oh well. 20, and then 60. Yes. Okay, are we done? This is 90 and this is 60. Now we have to do what?
Divide by 2.
Oh yeah. I almost forgot. Don't forget to divide by 2 on your triangle. See, I was making sure you were all paying attention. All right, so 30 here. Okay, so are we done?
No.
Now we have to add them. So 90 plus 30 to get the total area is 120. Yay, 120. Any questions?